this video, you will see all the potential of Charisma Orchestrator of Charisma Software Engineering. Project Manager. Do you know how many active projects there are in your company right now? Not just approximately, but do you know with precision and how they are divided according to the application? The answer is no. You are not able to know in a short time. Of all the active projects, do you know their current state? Obviously without calling or emailing the different project managers, but in a short time and in every moment? Even in this case, the answer is no. You are not able to know in a short time. But there is an instrument that allows you to retrieve all this information as lists and graphs. This instrument is Charisma Orchestrator of Charisma Software Engineering. Can you make different platforms, architectures of application lifecycle management, and different technologies communicate between one another? The answer is no. Different technologies, different languages, different worlds, they all interface with each other inefficiently. You can't, for example, make a mainframe technology interface with a departmental one. It would be useful to have a unique control point from which you can pilot these technologies with a common language that they can work with. With such an instrument, build, promote, and deploy processes could be centralized under one orchestrator. But how can we do that? You don't need to engage Abaddon or Muti. An instrument that is able to do all of this already exists. It's Charisma Orchestrator of Charisma Software Engineering. If you're still watching this video, it means that you're interested in these topics and that such an instrument would simplify the operativity of your company, reducing its defectiveness. But you don't believe it. So, why don't you take a look? By logging into the product, you will immediately get a bird's eye view in text of all the active projects, whether they're mainframe, distributed, or enterprise. The view is obviously limited to your projects. By clicking on a single project, you can see all the objects making up the project. By clicking on a single object, you can see where it is, the progress percentage, who created the object and when, as well as who performed the last action on the object itself and when. Moreover, the project portfolio allows you to get a graphic view on the project so you can understand which ones are active, how they are divided, which ones are sticking to the deadline, and what stage they are at. Obviously, you may be wondering, how is this all possible? The main core of Charisma Orchestrator is a server available for distributed platforms, Microsoft Windows and Unix Linux operating systems. You only need to install specific agents to interact bidirectionally with the different ALM technologies in use. These agents, besides allowing you to send commands to the relative ALM technologies, for example, operations on Endeavour packages, baselines, also deal with updating the advance of the change objects in Charisma's database. At the moment, according to your needs, you can install the following agents: Endeavour Software Change Manager Agent, Serena ChangeMan ZMF Agent, Serena Dimensions Agent, CA Software Change Manager Agent, Subversion Agent. Do you want to know more? Have a look at our technical videos. Orchestrator Endeavour Software Change Manager, Orchestrator Serena Dimensions, Orchestrator Subversion. Thank you for watching this video. Go to www.charismasoftware.com or email us at support@charismasoftware.com for any questions or further information.